Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I went to buy something that I have been dreaming about for years, and yeah, today I treated myself a bit and went to buy it. So I thought that I would unbox it for you. So it's a bag from Louis Vuitton, and you probably already know the name because of the title. But yes, I'm gonna unbox it for you and I'm so excited. I don't know if you can see it, probably can, but like seriously, I cannot stop smiling. So yeah, I have the receipt here, and I don't know why, but I feel like I don't want to open the box. I have no idea why, but yes, my bag is in here. So yeah, I actually wanted to get it in a different canvas. So I wanted to get this bag first in the Damier Azure. I don't know if that's how you're supposed to pronounce it, but then I was like, okay, like it's like white basically, so it will get dirty really easily. It might get color transfer and stuff like that, and I didn't really want that. So yeah, I spoke with the sales associate as well, and she was like that it's better to get it in Damier Ebene because like it's more durable and stuff like that. So my bag will be in Damier Ebene. But yeah, then after that I actually thought that I will buy the bag in the monogram canvas, but they didn't have that in stock actually at the store. So like I could have reserved it, but I don't know, like she showed me how it would have looked and how the interior and everything would have been, and I actually like this one a bit better, so I bought this one, and let's open it. So yeah, wait, what is this one? There's something here, I'm not sure. Oh, it's just a white paper, or I don't know what this is for. Oh, it's probably for if you like are giving this to someone as a gift or something. I don't know really. That's cute. So let's open it. I'm so excited. So I haven't opened this yet. Like I just saw it in the store, and then, you know, I just came home like probably 15 minutes ago or something. But yeah, here it is in the dust bag, and ta-da! It's the Louis Vuitton Pochette Felicie bag in Damier Ebene, and I think it's just so beautiful. I really love it. So yeah, I was first going to get it into Azure, then into monogram, but in the store I decided that I want this. They had it in the Azure and in Ebene at the store, but yeah, I think this is like a bag that I want to have like forever, so it was better to get the darker color. And then it's like red inside, and it's not that bright as it looks on the camera, but yeah, actually because of this, because it looks so bright on the camera, I didn't like it that much when I saw pictures of it, but like when I saw it on the store with this, I thought it looks really nice, and I liked it actually better than the monogram one. And then this bag comes with two inserts. that are removable. So there's like a card holder, which I think I will get hot stamped, so I want like a big golden eye here. But I'm gonna do that a bit later. So this card holder has like 8 card slots, and then there's like a bigger pocket here for like cash or receipts and stuff like that, which is really nice. And then it comes with this little pouch as well. I don't know yet what I'm gonna use this for, but it could be like a small wallet as well. So yeah, I really like it. And then the bag itself has a small pocket here, and then it has this beautiful golden chain, and I really love it. So yeah, that's how the bag looks like. And this one is made in France. I don't know, I've heard that it's a good thing when it's made in France, but I don't know. So yeah, I really love how this looks, and I'm so excited to wear it. Okay, so next I think I will show you how it looks on. So this is how it looks as a shoulder bag. I think this color goes really well with the hijab I have on, and like with the colors that I usually like to wear, like light pink and white and black and so on. And I really I'm repeating myself all the time, but I love this so much. And then as a crossbody it's like this. So yeah, will definitely elevate any outfit, and I just like it so much. And I've seen some people like shortening the strap somehow. I think there's like tutorials on YouTube, maybe like this. And then it's shorter. So this is also a really nice way to wear it. I was also thinking about doing a bag collection video, so if you're interested in seeing that, then leave a comment below. And yeah, like obviously this is like my only luxury bag, but I think it would still be nice to show my whole bag collection. So yeah, if you're interested about that, tell it in the comment section below. I went to hot stamp the card case on Tuesday and got it back yesterday, and I think it's super nice. That was my unboxing video. I'm so excited. Like seriously, I think I've been dreaming about having a Louis Vuitton bag for like, I don't know, like 6 years or so. And now I finally was able to get one, and I'm just so happy. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and remember to put on the notifications as well. And yeah, I hope to see you in my next one. Bye bye!